course embedded tutoring also has associated with it a faculty member who is the liaison between the Center for Academic Success and your department. Those liaisons, they approve the tutors, they give recommendations for final tutor assignments, and they also assign the tutors to the faculty members. If you'd like an embedded tutor in your course, all you need to do is contact the liaison for your department. Just send them an email and ask them for a course embedded tutor in your course. If you're not sure who the liaison is for your department, all you need to do is email the chair. They'll be able to tell you who the liaison is.
So the first thing is, if you want to have a tutor in your course shell, you can wait for an email from me, or you can email me yourself and let me know that you would like to have one. In the email that I send you, it's going to be a simple survey that I'll ask you to show you what that might look like. It'll be something like this, like a Google form, where I'll ask you a few questions about your course, when it is, how you would like the course embedded tutor to be involved. And then once you are assigned a tutor, depending on availability and everything, you'll be given another form like this right before the course starts, just to make sure that the tutor is added to your campus shell. You would just put in the tutor's last name, first name, and their Pierce College email address. That's really important. If we don't have that, then they can't be added in. And then your course info, and then submit. And then within a few days, sometimes a week, your tutor will be added to your shell. So it's as easy as that. And of course, if you ever have any questions, you can just email me.